Hi folks, welcome to Spring Hill Rug Cleaning. I'm Ron Steele, owner and certified tech for Spring Hill Rug Cleaning, GreenPro Carpet Cleaning, and GreenPro Cleaning. Today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about us and how we clean rugs in your home or business. First, I want you to know that we are professional cleaners, not cheap cleaners. There is a big difference. We're licensed, bonded, and insured, and we use the latest and greatest technology and equipment to get your rugs super deep cleaned. We clean with greener, safer, and eco-friendly solutions, not harsh chemicals. You can schedule online fast and easy for rug, carpet, upholstery, and tile and grout services. We can even complete several of these services together on the same day. So schedule everything right now. Now let's go ahead and show you a little bit about how we clean your rugs in your home or business. Okay, here we go. After we protected the area to assure the safety of your belongings and furnishings, we vacuum the rug if needed, and then what you see here is we're pre-spraying the rug to loosen up any dirt and particles and kill the bacteria and microorganisms in the rug. And sometimes we can even get out hard stains, but not carpet fiber color damage. That's something that's got into the actual color dye and changed the color or taken the color off. We can get that nice and sanitized for you, but it'll never change. Other than that, spots will always come out, and that's what we're doing now. Now, after that pre-treatment of the hot pre-spray, what we're doing here is we're scrubbing it with a Brush Pro machine, and this has two brushes, one on each side, that are counter rotating. It works really good. You can see in this video where it's getting out a lot of pet hair from deep down in there, and this rug has already been vacuumed and it still is getting the pet hair up. Now this is also scrubbing the spots and stains in the rug. When we're done with that and treated for any pet urine or odors, things of that nature, in addition to spot cleaning, here's where we do our hot water extraction. So this is what we call our Rotovac Bonzer, and it's got jets in the front, in the back, and then a suction vacuum chamber in the front and the back. So you're getting a double cleaning on every stroke. So this is using hot water extraction. It is the rug and carpet manufacturer's recommended method, and it will get your rugs and your carpets super deep clean. This, along with everything else that you've seen in the video, gives you results like this. So there you have it. Please go to springhillrugcleaning.com and book online now. Take care.